How are you? It's me. I'm back. Um, Today, we're going to be talking about the phrase hand down. Hand down. Now, what's that, hand down? It means when you want to pass on information, uh, usually from your grandparents or your parents or even their parents, when they hand down something to you. Like, for example, for hundreds of years, uh, um, families have been handing down uh, instructions for how to garden, or um, for many years, people have been handing down their jewelry to their younger children to have for generations to come. But usually, it's for information, handing down information. It could be from a teacher or a friend, but what it means is to pass on information. Okay? So hand down. So you could say, oh, you need to listen to the instructions and let me hand down information that can help you pass the test. Or it could be from your grandmother, or your mother could say, oh, I have I have this information about a recipe that I would like to hand down to you. Okay, so yeah, recipes. You can use hand down recipes or hand down any other information. Okay, so next time you want to give someone information, you can say, here, I'm going to hand down some information to you. Okay, usually to your kids or from your parents. All right? Okay. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see ya. Bye bye. Take care. Hi out there. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Keep watching.